Now, we've covered these concepts. I'm going to really quickly just go through and summarize each one, and then we're going to actually move into implementation. First things first, metrics abstract reality. Deductive processes, i.e. taking a large data set that you've already collected, like behaviors, and turning them into a metric, requires a certain layer of abstraction. In most cases, inductive processes, which most qualitative data processes, requires way more layers of abstraction. And that's what's causing your fire hose. You also need to make sure that you use the rules of generalization and the social scientific process to make that inductive process systematic, able to be tagged and flagged, so that when it goes to your marketing team, they understand exactly what happened and why. The easiest way to do that is with the rules of generalization. A concept applies to B population only so far as C limitation. And once you have that, you can begin to map out your community scopes, attach the funnels to the membranes of those scopes, and then you can say funnel behaviors led to this, and then the rest, these sentiments are why they did it. So that's it for the specific workshop theory, but here's what we're looking to build, right? We want to build a dashboard that follows this process from community up to C-suite. So we're going to create a 3 what's in it for me perspective dashboard, where your executive community is going to care about how community is impacting each department and how that connects to revenue. Your teams are going to care about what precedents and goals or objectives is your company setting, and how is that building momentum in the community. And then your community pulse, freed up from the other 2 problems. This dashboard no longer needs to prove your community ROI or value. The executive summary is doing that. And it no longer needs to prove whether the community team is doing well. The cross-departmental objectives dashboard does that. This is focused on just community health, behaviors, and sentiment.